Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to be going over the question, is Akiflow free? So this is particularly useful for people who have maybe seen Akiflow online and just want to know if it's free or not. So be sure to stick around just because this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple. So what you're looking at right here is the Akiflow application dashboard. So if you want to know if adding tasks, adding dates, integrating with all these apps and calendars, is this actually free? Unfortunately, Akiflow is not free. So this is what their paid pricing actually looks like, in which they do give you a 7-day free trial today. And then you can either choose to pay monthly, which is $34 per month, or you can pay yearly, which is $19 a month billed yearly. So with the Pro monthly plan, you get unlimited integrations, unlimited tasks, unlimited meetings, one-on-one coaching call, and all features. With the Pro yearly plan, you get everything in Pro, but you save 44% per year, and you can cancel anytime. So do keep in mind though that if you are a university student or researcher, you can get exclusive discounts on Akiflow. This is what I actually did. And if you have a team, they can give you discounts for running your team on Akiflow as well. So this is the best and easiest way I found to actually see if is Akiflow free. But if you have if you know of a better, easy way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Take care.